Hi everyone.
Okay, guys. Some footage got slow-mo, but not all. What did I say?
For that you're laughing that much, bro.
What did I say? Some footage got slow-mo.
After recording, we got to know some footage is recorded in slow-mo. But what we are going to say, Rishi, is all the footage,
Everything is recorded in slow-mo.
and that's the prank.
Let's see how we'll react now. Did we come up nice? Huh?
Yeah, no. See.
No.
See.
My death by chocolate joke.
It's dead, bro.
Shut the up. I liked it so much. Slow motion, fix it.
ಕಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ.
ಏನ್ ಕಟ್
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಏನ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
Subscribe to Audio.
Hey, I'm proud of it. My death by chocolate joke is there, no?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Hey, good job. You got me. Hello, here we are from. So Rakesh was trying to mix soda and thumbs up, and we put water in his soda, so I mix water and thumbs up now. That's all. And this is real soda. Oh yeah, please subscribe, because as soon as you subscribe, we can hire a nice editor, and we can upload videos more quicker. And I drink some thumbs up.
ನನಗೂ ಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ.
ಹಿಂಗಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಬ್ರೋ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಒಂಚೂರು thumbs up ಕುಡ್ದೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಕುಡ್ದಂಗಿದೆಯೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀನ್ ಒಂಥರ ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೇಯರ್ ತರ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಂದು ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂದು ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾಕೋ ತೆಗೆದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
What do you mean?
ಸೋಡಾ ಹೋಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ
ಬ್ರೋ
ಥೂ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್?
ಸೋಡಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ
ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಲಿಟ್ರ್ ನೀರು ಕಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
ವಾಟರ್ Where is the f***ing soda?
It's a sweet water. Thanks for the masala puri.
Wait, let's see how it tastes.
I actually thought soda
He
full
spit
is
it out.
gone, bro. First ಅದು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
What is that? There.
Yeah.
You had plastic surgery.
Anyways, thank you.
No, ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ?
Bro, call Manipal, bro. Get the best surgeons because Rishi is going to get heart attack.
I feel something fictional. I'm breaking something beautiful.